Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to hide likes on threads. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up threads on our home feed. We can scroll down and it shows us the number of likes and under each thread. And if we want to hide the information, we need to go to our profile and then tap at hide likes. Once we tap on, it will be taken to Instagram app, and that's here we can turn on the option which is called hide likes, and down below it says that the settings also applies on threads. Once it is turned on, the number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden. If we want to hide the number of likes on our posts, we can go to our profile. Let me quickly create some thread and then we can tap at thread dots, then choose hide likes account. If I choose that option, that will hide like account on that particular thread. That's how you can hide likes on threads. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.